everyone, welcome back to another video documentary. I haven't been posting for the past few days. It's because, first of all, I had no time. I was really busy with my job, um, Lyra, mostly because, um, like there are some times, when you're thinking so much that you go in a place where you have no thoughts you know and it's very painful when you have no thoughts and you want to think about something and you want to get something done and you're just there and like you feel like you're never gonna come out of it. That emptiness, it scares me a lot. So that was happening with me for the past few days, but now today, actually after getting the tokenizer to work, now the main problem right now in the business is that, okay, now we have a tokenizer, okay, now we can tokenize things, but does tokenizing things and files is the only like goal? No, right? Because even if we tokenize the words, it doesn't really mean anything. So in order to in order for intelligence to work, uh, it has to know the meaning of the word as well, whatever we are tokenizing. So the intelligence has to know languages, right? So are we going to teach it English? Are we going to teach it Hindi, Sanskrit? What are we going to teach the model? So I think we should teach English because it's the most spoken language on the world, I guess. I'm not really sure, but every other model is working on uh, English language. So you have to teach the model English first. Okay, you have a kid, right? The first thing you teach them is the language, right? So um, the AI has to learn language, and then we have to give it data, because at the end, all human intelligence is uh, downloading structures and algorithms in their brain, and that is intelligence at the end. So data, we need a lot of data. It's supposed to be, I think, there is 1 petabyte worth of data on in the world, okay, um, and that's including everything, okay. And when I talk about data, right, there are some rules and regulations about what type of data we cannot use, like something which is NSFW, like not safe for work, or there's multiple things which we cannot really, like, which is not necessary to use at all, okay. I will show you what type of data we use to train the models. And it's literally a piece of code, HTML most probably, and somewhere, right, there is actual data. So to delete all the unnecessary part, okay, and to get the part which actually matters is called data cleaning, data processing, data collection. So this all of this, right, it comes under the data analyst part, okay. You collect data from the world. Wikipedia could be scraping. It's all about scraping the internet, okay. You teach the language to the model, and the model, once it understands the meanings and the meanings of the words what we are tokenizing, and from there it can start making sense. It can predict what the next, okay, let's say I give you an example, okay? This is how it works. If I have full proper knowledge of English, okay, and I have some pre processed data in my intelligence, okay, and I say the sentence, I have a dash, okay. So to fill up the word, in dash, right, the blank, like the underlined part, to fill in that area, the model will predict what is going to be the next word. So I have a dog could be one of the words. I have a wedding could be the next word. So it's all about prediction. Okay, what could be the next, what could be the next, what could be the next word. And once you predict the right word, you win the game. So it's all about predicting the accurate, like, you don't have to be right every time, you just have to be accurate. Okay, so the more accurate you keep getting, the better the, model becomes. And that is the whole, like, I want Lyra to be the smartest AI on the world. Elon Musk wants that too. Grok 3, all of these guys, they are aiming for, smartest models. But uh, everyone has a different opinion, right, on AI. That's where, science, like, that's where in the field of science, every scientist, every person has a different opinion. And no matter how different your opinions are, scientists have always, come together to help science do better. So even if, these companies are doing different things, I think the goal for every company should be to, help each other and make AI work better for the humanity. And even if, it's all about, I mean, at the end, like, big companies, right, they think about competition and killing down competition. But even if that's how they want to play, I'm not going to play like that. I will take my time, think on this topic, and try to make better products for the world. Because I want AI to be, used by every single one of the human being on the planet, so that, they can actually become smarter, emotionally smarter, with emotionally or intelligence wise. AI can make any human smart. They say that um, AI can take away your job. I think that's wrong. Actually, AI can help you get the right job. So if you if you actually, understand AI, you can get you can understand a lot about yourself. Like, it's very good for self awareness stuff. So that's what the goal is, to make the smartest, emotionally and intelligence wise, the smartest AI on planet Earth, and give it to the normal people, like normal people like us, civilians, to use this product. Okay, because if you look at AI, right, it's only used by students. Okay, it's only um, used by professionals. Like, the real world applications of AI, right, are very limited right now. But this is the Lyra's whole purpose, is to, fulfill real life fulfill real life applications of AI. And LLM is one of them, and this is the first benchmark, for us to um, be a AI company, is to have a LLM. And this is the bare minimum we have to do to become a proper legit company. After that, the next part, which I will, you know talk about it later, once the whole AI part, like LLM part, is done, because that's the next evolution of the company. How we will make it usable, user friendly for everyone on the planet Earth, like, even for the dumbest of the dumbest people. But once they use Lyra, they will not be the dumbest person in the room or on the planet. Like, it will make everyone smart. And that's what the goal of my life is, to help consciousness, like, to help make everyone smarter and smarter and smarter, so that they ask the right question, and improve their self awareness and their consciousness. And yep, that's the whole plan. Like, to know yourself, right? Know thyself is the purpose of life. To know yourself, right? At the end. And you know yourself, and then you ask right questions about the world, and then you become smarter. So that's the whole Lyra point of view. Like, this is the whole purpose of Lyra, to become the smartest AI on planet Earth, and just make it easy for people to use it, make it more accessible for common population, so that, they can also benefit from the AI revolution which is happening right now. So that's the whole purpose. And I have a 80-page book over here, which is all the tasks I need to get done in order to get Lyra online. And once I achieve these tasks, the Lyra will be done. Like it will be done. And I don't know if I will be able to do it just by myself. Like again, the days are very hard these days. Yep. So I will see you later. Now I will see you when all the data collection part, right, will be done. And then once the data collection is done, then will be data processing. And I will see you one by one. Like once every step is done, I will see you after every step, okay? So until then, bye bye. Have a great one.